In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contact fields in Insightly. We're going to walk through how to create custom fields for your contacts so you can capture the exact information your team needs, beyond the default fields that come out of the box. This is really useful if you track things like customer preferences, account status details, or any data that's unique to your business. First, make sure you're logged in to your Insightly account with permissions to change settings. Then, start by going up to the top right corner of your screen and clicking on your profile icon. This is usually where your initials or profile image appear. From the drop-down menu that opens, choose System Settings. This is the main area where you control how Insightly behaves for your organization, so take your time here and be careful with changes. Once you're in System Settings, look for the section labeled Objects and Fields. This is where you manage the structure of different records like contacts, organizations, opportunities, and so on. For this video, we're focusing specifically on contact records, so go ahead and select Contacts. That tells Insightly you want to adjust the layout and fields for contact data only. Inside the Contacts settings, find and click on Object Fields. This is the page that lists all existing fields that are already available on your contact records, including both standard and any custom fields you may have added before. To create something new, look for the option labeled New Field and click it. This starts the process of adding your own custom contact field. Next, you'll be asked to choose a field type. This is important because it controls what kind of data users can enter. For example, choose text if you want people to type in free-form information, like a nickname or a preference note. Choose drop-down if you want a fixed list of options, which is great for things like customer tier or region, and helps keep data consistent. Take a moment to think about how you'll use this field in reports and filters, then select the field type that makes the most sense for your use case, and click Next. Now you'll set the field label. This is simply the name that users will see on the contact record, so make it clear and descriptive. For example, instead of just Notes, you might call it Onboarding Notes or Preferred Contact Time. Good labels reduce confusion later. After you've entered the label and confirmed it looks right, click Save. Once it's saved, your new field becomes available on your contact records and your team can start using it right away.